Today we will be checking out a noise that we heard over in this area. My cousin's not here in this video. So yeah, let's get started to this video. Alright, so we will be exploring the barn first, because why not? So yeah, I'm actually pretty scared. So actually I'm not that scared, but because I have a pocket knife. Yeah. Yo, look. There's a robin nose over there, but it's fun. So we will be checking around this area next. So it's kind of our backyard. You probably won't find anything because this was like 2 days ago where I heard the noise. Whoa, this grass is so overgrown. Like, I'm literally, like, you can't even see my feet. I mean, no, you kind of can, but. That's the old treehouse. Don't ask why it's destroyed. Yeah, so I might show a fort that's over there that me and my cousin built. It wasn't on camera, so yeah. After we explore this area. So, I explored that whole area over there. I didn't find anything. So now I'll be showing you my fort. This is completely off topic, but I needed a video, so yeah. Alright, so our fort is over there. This is so overgrown. Can't believe how overgrown this is. Yeah, so I'll be going inside. Yeah, this is what it looks like inside. That's the doorway. It's made out of pine needles. It's kind of broken back there. So, yeah. So, yeah. That's my fort. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.